Hi! This is Ashley, and no, I'm not doing a dance video right now. Because, and I will show you exactly why. See this? This awful thing right here, the light bulb burnt out. And I've yet to get enough money to get a new light bulb. And this does not provide sufficient light. And I want to dance during the day, but I just have to find the right moment. I have to be energetic. Unfortunately, I'm energetic right now, but I have no light. So, instead, we're going to be showing you my new kitty. I found her. She's so cute. Let's follow Kitty. She decided to go to the bathroom. Hi, baby. Snow. And she likes to hop in the bathtub. Hi, babies. How are you? Oh, who's my baby? Who's my baby? Here. Oh, look at my kitty. Sorry, I'm not holding your butt. There. I got her butt. Isn't she so cute? She doesn't like to be held for too long, but that's okay. Who's my baby? She's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is pretty much an update video, I guess. Oh, I'm taking Japanese class right now, and it's so fun, but it's so hard. Let's see. Nanji desu ka? It is 10 時間20分。はい？いいですか? What else do I know? 元気ですか? おー、元気ですね。学生1年生10歳。はい。モーニング娘。が大好きです。ラモンズ大好きです。セックスピストルズ大好きです。あゆみ浜崎大好きです。はい。モーニング娘。はい。猫が好きです。猫。She's in a very hyper mood. She gets about this every night. She gets all hyper and stuff. And she loves to play. She loves to play and play and play and play and play. Okay, well, I'm gonna let you go now. じゃあまた? Yeah. Bye.